Okay guys, if you don't want to use the web version of Binance and you want to download it on your laptop or PC, this is very easy guys. You just want to search for on Google, you want to search for Binance, as you can see, Binance desktop. Okay, Binance desktop, and then you want to select the first website that says here Binance desktop. Click on it. If you don't see this website, just search for download Binance for desktop. Now as you can see, after you are on this website, or you can just enter the same link, as you can see, www.binance.com/in desktop download. As you can see, now it will take you to this page. You want to click on download now, and as you can see, this is it's downloading. At the very bottom left, it's downloading. It just after it finishes downloading, you just want to click on it and then follow the steps that I'm about to show you right now. Now it will take a few seconds to download. It's not a big file, it's just like 100 MB. Click on the file, and then next thing you want to do guys, just want to click yes. It will ask you to give the permission to the app. You just want to click yes like this, yes, and then select the language. I like English, so I'm going to click OK. Here click install. Now you just want to wait for it to install and then click finish, and then the Binance app will be opened, as you can see. You can just log in, and that's exactly guys how you can download Binance app on your PC or laptop. If this video guys helped you, please drop a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys in the next video.